Good day, guys. On today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PayPal account if you are in Ghana or Nigeria. As we all know, PayPal has been banned from these two countries. Yes. So if you are in any other country that PayPal is being banned there, then this video is actually for you. Okay, let me take you through. First of all, go to Google and search for PayPal. paypal.com /ls. The ls simply means Lesotho. That is it. Search. After the search, you go here. Okay, so you take the next step, get started. Remind you, you can't actually create a main account. You can create business account only. So you first of all enter your email address. Okay, then you continue. Okay, looks like I made a mistake here. Let me see. Okay, I made a mistake here. Okay, continue. Okay, I'm going to pause the video to enter my password. Okay guys, I have now entered my password, so continue. So the business name, you first of all, business contact, legal first name. Okay, let me go this way. Video, business contact rather, sorry. So I'll enter my name here, my actual name, and okay, business detail, that is the business name. You can actually use your own name for that. You can actually find a business name, just put in any other business name. So let's go. Okay, number, business number. So you search for Ghana. I'm in Ghana. I'm currently in Ghana, so I'm searching for Ghana. Okay, the same way if you are in Nigeria, you search for Nigeria. So let me enter my number. I'm pausing the video to enter my number. Okay, I'm done with the number. So I want to enter the address and the town, the state, and my postal code. Okay, so if you have yours, you can enter, but I'll pause the video to enter mine. Okay, I'm done with the address. Now make sure the primary currency, you select dollars and US dollars, and you are good to go. After that, click on the agreement and click on agree to continue. Business type, okay, I'm a digital marketer, so I choose sole proprietorship for that. No, let me choose individual sole proprietorship. Product keys or services. Okay, the product key, the product or service keywords is actually the business that you do. So I'm a digital marketer, so digital market. Let me see whether I can find it here. Okay, digital marketing. Let me choose this one. Okay, website. I actually have my website, but this is optional. If you don't have any website, it doesn't matter. So click on continue. I'm not going to enter because I already have a PayPal account. So your date of birth, I'm actually going to set my date of birth and set your nationality to wherever you are. Wherever you are, let me first of all set the nationality because I'm in Ghana. Okay, I'm in Ghana. Good to go. I'm actually going to enter my details and I'm good to go. So I'll pause the video to enter everything here. Before I pause the video, this is identity document. It's actually where you are going to enter, let's say, your voter's ID, your national ID, whatever. It could be passport, driving license. Yes, so you are the one to choose. Okay, then let me pause the video to enter my details. So after selecting, I'm selecting the national ID. So after selecting the national ID, you then enter your ID number. So let me pause to enter my ID number. Okay, I'm done with the details. Then I click on submit. Okay, I'm good to go. I'm done. So this is how to create a PayPal account in banned countries, and that's that. This is a perfect one. Kwame's Market, you are good to go. Simple. You can use this account to actually receive money from around the world, and you are good to go. So viewers, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos on. I actually teach. I make videos on how to make money online. Yes, so kindly subscribe for more videos. There is more to come. And those on TikTok, click on my bio. You see a YouTube icon there. Click on the YouTube icon to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos on how to make money online. Thank you.